Hello everyone, welcome to AMG Tonics YouTube channel. Today we are going to demonstrate the remote display for SSRT. So this is 50 mm remote display board, so which can be connected to our SSRT motherboard through wireless, through RS-232, through RS-485 communication. So basically the remote display will come with this display. It is required one motherboard, one RF receiver, and these two connectors. So with this component, so this is complete one remote display. So now I will give the information how to assemble this unit. So I will move to back side. So there are two connector basically. One is the display connector and one is the power connector. So we need to give the power of 12 volt to this board. Okay. And backside, so this motherboard fit directly backside on this remote display, so it can be easily connected here. So this stud will come along with this PCB, and you need to mount the PCB like this. Only two studs are sufficient to this one. So I will tighten this screw. Sorry. And the second screw here. Okay, only two connectors are two studies. Okay, so it will get tightly fit in here, so no worry about the loose. Okay, so I will connect one display cable here, like this one, and I will directly connect to the our display board here. Okay. And this is a 3-pin connector, so it is required to, so this board will provide the power to the display on board. Okay, so there is no extra supplier required for this. Okay, that's it. And secondly, you need to connect this RF receiver here. So you can directly connect on this PCB, or it can be extended through the FRC cable there. So that FRC cable I will show here. Okay, so this is complete assembly for the remote display. So this stud actually I connected for my test setup, so it is not required. So we have given the provision of this 6 hole here, 4 at corner and 2 at middle, so that you can easily mount on your enclosure. So this is the complete assembled one remote display. Okay, so now what I will do, so I will give the power here. So the recommended power supply for this is AC or DC 15 volt, so that the display brightness will come on very good. Okay, you can use the 12 volt, but if the intensity is okay for you. So I will connect one adapter. So I brought one this is I think 12 volt adapter. So just I will give the power here. So here you can connect the AC power as well, means like a 12 volt or a transformer directly here. Okay, so this was the one cable that I will be use. Actually it support for RS-232, so you can use this type of cable where two pins are used for the transmission, reception and ground, and one is the power. But for this video I am going to demonstrate only wireless functionality here. Okay, so here I will connect basically. Okay, so this one, and just I will plug here. Sorry, not this one. So I will turn on the power. Now I will just connect here, so it will get the power here. Okay, so this is test mode, and after it will show the version number, and so it is directly connected to the wireless. Okay, so this side, so I place the transmitter for this. So this is a transmitter. So this is using the SSRT motherboard, and this one is the wireless transfer. So you can see that I have directly connected through the FRC, so that it is easy to install on your enclosure. Okay. So you can see the transmitter. Okay, so I will put this 200 gram on this platform. So the same can be transport on the wireless display. You can see. So now I will vary the weight, so you can see the it's a response. So it is having very good response for this. So just I will press the this one, and you can observe this one. So this is getting fastest wire transfer. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to AMG Tonus YouTube channel, like and share. Thank you.